I'm Larissa, Senior Data Scientist at Sovanta. Today I'm going to guide you through our GenAI solution, where you can chat with your documents. Our solution is perfect for customers who want to try out generative AI for document management in a safe environment as it is compliant with GDPR regulations. It immediately improves employee efficiency and is an effective way to start understanding how GenAI would fit into your organization. With our GenAI solution, users can have conversations with their documents. They upload the document, and once uploaded, they simply can chat with it to get immediate answers. Chats are only visible to themselves and can be renamed or deleted easily. So how would this work? Let's imagine I have questions about SAP Build. I got a book chapter from my colleague Jacob, who just wrote this chapter about governance. So I upload the chapter to our GenAI solution. As it is completely running on SAP technology, I can be sure that the data is kept safe and is never used to train new models on the cost of my data. So I want to know what governance is. I get the answer based on the document that I just uploaded. I can now double-check the answer on the right-hand side, and I can also open the document. As you can see here, the document was written in German, but I get the answer perfectly in English. And I can also ask for a translation. So I can send this to my colleagues in Buenos Aires. I can also ask follow-up questions. For example, about the governance triad. And I can even give further instructions. And if I want to get more general information about the document, I can even ask about summary or keywords. This setup is also safe against hallucinations. If I would ask a question which is irrelevant to the document's content, the AI will give me the answer that this information is not provided in the given context. I can also upload more documents, I can delete documents, or create new chats. I can even reset conversations completely. The sovanta GenAI solution runs completely and exclusively on SAP BTP. It can use SAP-hosted models such as Llama, Falcon, or Mistral, or the well-known models from OpenAI, Google, or Amazon as third-party model providers. Technologies in the back are HANA Authentication Services, HANA Cloud Database, and SAP AI Core and GenAI Hub. This means that you and not an external commercial partner controls your data. It is protected, and you say how it is processed and used. So what are you waiting for? Try it yourself. Use generative AI, all on SAP BTP, data protected and GDPR compliant. Let's get started.